This is how you track a partner meeting, whether it's face-to-face or on the phone in Salesforce. So you go to the Home tab, My Tasks, New. This will be defaulted in properly. The date of the meeting, whatever that was, whatever the relevant subject was, the status is completed. Now you type in the name of the person, and as long as they're in Salesforce, Jim Smith Optiv, you can select them. There's a separate video to show you how to add to Salesforce if the contact does not exist. In this case, you select activity type. It was a meeting. In this case, it was face-to-face. Save. That's all you have to do to track a meeting.